My name is Nathan, and I graduated with the Bachelor of Science, first honor in the Chemical Technology at PolyU in 2013. I then became a Hong Kong U PhD student under the supervision of Professor Vivian Yam, one of the successful female chemists in Hong Kong, who is particularly well known for her research interests in optoelectronics and supermolecular functional materials. My PhD research projects have been focused on the design, synthesis, and development of the new photochromic compounds with multifunctional properties. We have just published my very first paper in chemical science and filed a US patent for the newly designed photochromic system with excellent performance. Indeed, PhD study is really challenging. But whenever you discover something that is novel, interesting, and potentially applicable, your frustration and pain will become worthwhile. The CT program has provided me with comprehensive chemistry knowledge from classical to modern chemistry. Thanks to the learning experience in the CT program, as well as the encouragement of my lecturers, I have decided to pursue a postgraduate degree and become a research student. Apart from the formal learning in PolyU, I was lucky enough to become a 6-month exchange student at NUS in Singapore, and later a 2-month research assistant in the Czech Republic. I learned a lot, for example, about the asymmetric synthesis and fractional condensation. I also have some great time with my Malaysia classmate. We have spent a week on Wedan Island, taking part in a lot of outdoor activities as well as enjoying some in-depth sharing. However, there are some difficult experiences I have to overcome by myself during exchange. It was quite lonely and helpless at that time, especially when I feel sick and get lost. At the same time, I have to deal with all kinds of trivial things. But it is quite similar in a way to the challenges I need to overcome in my research and daily life, so as to be an independent learner. My exchange experience helped me learn how to deal with this kind of adversity. Sometimes you may get confused, wondering what you should do. Sometimes you may feel depressed when things do not turn out what you expect. But still, you have to try your best to overcome all those difficulties. As Rocky Balboa said, it's not about how hard you can hit. It's all about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. I keep reminding myself of this during my PhD study and daily life. This is the wisdom beyond knowledge that I have learned beyond the lectures in my undergraduate study.